What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're over here at Blakline Speed Shop and the 136 is done. I'm so stoked and I'm gonna take you guys with me. Well, I'm gonna show you guys first the startup of this 136. Now, Tyler sent me a video when he first completed the bike, but I have not in person yet heard this machine start. So let's check it out together. All right, here we go. Oh, jeez. Dude, are you guys hearing this thing? Monster, bro. Dude, this thing is thumping. It looks like my bag's gonna fall off. Check it out. Dude, this thing sounds nasty. Oh my God. Bro, that thing's insane. All right, man, I'm so stoked, dude. This is incredible. I've been waiting for this bike here for a little bit. I cannot wait to ride it, and I'm gonna take you guys with me on my first impressions on the 136. I'm a little bit nervous. I'll show you guys my dyno sheet right here. Check out that horsepower and that torque that just is limitless from 2,500 RPMs. This thing's gonna be a beast to ride. It's gonna pull like an absolute freight train. So it'd be perfect for me and what I like to do on the bike, and that's long distance riding, two up with my wife and loaded down. Let's go ride. All right, guys, so here we are on the test ride on the 136. Well, to be fair, I did ride it home from the bike shop, but it was like 100 degrees in traffic the whole time. And this poor bike, man. But we finally get out on it in some decent weather, ride this thing around the block just to show it to you guys. Damn. Yo, this thing is crazy. It just pulls like a freight train. You know, honestly, so I use the AIM variable pressure clutch, which is nice because at low speeds, you know, when you really want that extra movement, like, I don't know, I guess you want your clutch to be very, very maneuverable. It's very soft, but as you get up in the RPMs, the plate puts more pressure and it is stiff there. But outside of that, dude, this thing's fucking wild. It sounds good, it's smooth. I think that's probably one of the most important things for me, because my use for this bike with this motor is gonna be touring. So far to me, I don't know, the throttle is just so smooth and consistent power. We're at 4th gear, 3,000 RPMs, going 55. We gotta be careful back here because there's a lot of times a lot of deer. That's what I'm looking around for. I don't want to go too far up in here, unless you're on this time of day. You guys hear this thing barking? All right, we're gonna take it around the block. We're gonna go onto the Mountain View corridor, which is kind of a highway down here on the other side, and let her loose a little bit. But I am loving this thing, man. This power is just, the way it's delivered is just so smooth, which I guess is, if you ride an M8, the M8 power is just fucking, is super smooth the way it delivers. But this 136, I don't know, it just gets there faster. Let's go, bud. Got a green turn arrow. Damn. This thing is nasty. We can't get too crazy on it. We still got to get our 500 miles. So watching the RPMs. Dude, this thing is great. Anyways, man, it's been a little bit since I put out videos, man. I've had a lot going on in my personal life, so I haven't been putting out as much videos, you know, once a week like I wanted to, like I was trying to in that first year of doing YouTube. And I'll get back to it, man. But yeah, I've just been busy. I've got one in the chamber right now I've been working on from a ride. I went up to Big Piney, Wyoming with Blakline Speed Shop, so I'll throw that one together probably after this one. Yeah, I was really excited just to show you guys this bike. Oh, you gotta respect this power, man. This thing is crazy. Oh yeah. Dude, this is wild. Dude, this thing just goes. Obviously my speedometer is all AI and no speed I've been going is real, but man, this thing takes off like a freight train, dude. Or pulls like a freight train, I should say. Takes off like a sport bike. It's wild. This thing is so fast. Yeah, man. Are we still on? We're still rolling. Didn't die yet. Whoo! Yeah, man, I'm stoked on this bike. I'm stoked on this bike. I'm stoked to be able to ride it out to Sturgis here in a couple weeks. Got to get some service done on my Dyno. That 50K, 50,000 mile service. So, Spider-Man. Boosties. Thank you guys for riding with me, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.